I'm so frustrated. Weeks and weeks and weeks it's taken him to get something that's so simple. Good afternoon. Actually, no, it's still morning. Things have sort of slowed down this week. I was really busy with testers and getting recipes sorted last week, and now this week it's more just getting the website and the packaging sorted. So right now I'm currently trying to book a studio for photos, and I'm sorting out with David getting labels. Good morning. Good morning. Morning, Cuddles. Good morning. Where is she? I don't actually know. Concerning. Okay. I have just spent the morning doing a bit of nothing. I have filmed content today. That's what I've been doing. Because today I am releasing the brand name, which is exciting. And I also need to edit the first 10 days vlog of building this. But I haven't done that yet. That will be my weekend task. I will maybe do that tomorrow. No, I won't do that tomorrow because tomorrow Mother's coming over and we're going to organize my supplies room. Last week was pretty much recipe testing. This week is just sort of boring admin-y stuff that I have no control over because I don't know how to make a website. I was going to learn, but then I have someone who can do it for me, and then I'm contacting another guy who's great at graphics. But the guy that's doing my website and my graphics is also getting me my labels, and I can't do anything without him getting me the labels. Right, I have to wait till next Friday to get the packaging because that takes a while to come because it's coming from like, I don't even know. That's what's happening. This will be just a little like vlog of what I'm doing outside of all my baking. Where is my dog? She's there. Do you see her head? Are you basking in the sun? It is 6:30. No, it's 20 to 7, and I have a meeting at 7 with a photographer and a graphic designer. I'm assuming he's ringing me because I do not look like I could do a video meeting, and I'm exhausted. I could be on the phone to him for like an hour. I just need now to sort out the packaging, which has been a bit of a melter today. It's been really on my mind getting the packaging sorted. It's really frustrating me. I just had a crazy morning. I am ordering packaging and I'm trying to get the right size. And that has taken me now. That has taken me 2 hours. And I was meant to do my video and edit my video and do socials. But it's okay. I need to get this sorted now because I spent all day yesterday doing it and it was quite stressful. My neighbours are going on a cruise. The Canary Islands. Spent 10 minutes telling me about it yesterday. Finally got set down to do my video. I won't get it finished because I have other shit I need to do today, but finish more of it tomorrow. I mean, I'm not doing any product testing and I just have to wait now for packaging. I still didn't get that ordered because David didn't answer me because I was debating between the 10 and the 15 and then the 9 by 13 because I didn't want it to be too big, but it was also like 40 quid and I was like, what? Especially there was no returns on it, so not quite sure on that one, but I'm sure he'll get back to me, and if he doesn't, I'll just, don't know. I also had a bit of Ferrero Rocher Easter egg because I wanted to try it, and it was not nice. Not nice. He says the tear open ones are nice, but they're both tear open. Is there no 2 types? These. There's this one. Obviously, I'll get the white, and then I have a heat sealer so that you'll slip the bar in the top. Then I'll heat seat it closed. That or that, they're the same and they're actually the same price. That one says tear, that one doesn't, and he said the tear open is nice.
707 James Bond.
For where we staying.
Do you want to use it?
Do you want to? I can show you the vlog. He wants to show everyone his new car. Can't see him, doesn't want to be shown on the camera. It's quiet. Oh no, I knew he was going to do that, I told you. He's like a boy of his new toys. Oh, and he's gone. See, I don't really understand. People probably would watch that and go, that's very cool. I don't know anything about cars. He likes cars. Woo, look at him go. It's lovely. They are so cute. He's dying. She's just a goop. He's moving my car. How did he get my keys for a start? Anyway, still doing the vlog. Yes, like it's very much like the other one. It's so cool. I love it. Just got the packaging done there. Finally, oh my god, that's a long time to get that. It was like nothing would work, no sizes were the right size, but it's all done now and it's all ordered and they be here on Friday. Oh, I'm so happy. It's not like the perfect packaging that we'd want, but we're just starting up, so it's not gonna be like professional style packaging. That's so expensive to get that. And then once we get a bit of a revenue, we can think about getting proper packaging. But for now it's okay. Another day, another making. Today I'm making cookies and brownies for 2 birthday parties that are this weekend. That's ready 3, 2, 1.
Epic. When's she coming for them?
Tomorrow night. Rosie is here, my gorgeous. I'm just taking photos of the cookie cups. They are so gorgeous. I'm not gonna touch them because I've just touched the dog. I'll show you in a sec, hold on. Okay, so this is what one of them looks like. It literally is like a cupcake filled with a Oreo cheesecake, Oreo cookie, but in the shape of a cupcake. Hi. Oh, it's the shadows, isn't it? The cookies, very nice. Good morning. Today it is Thursday. I haven't been doing much, doing boring admin-y stuff, doing the website, getting the packaging. That has been such a slog, getting that packaging, but I finally got it and it should be here by tomorrow, which is Friday. So what I'm doing is on Sunday I have my samples event, hand out some of my samples at the run club, which is fantastic. Not too much because again it is just samples. Got some recover bars, got some protein bars which I need to coat in the chocolate and things, and then the dogs are keeping me company. Rosie's here, she's usually not here but she's visiting this weekend. Almost finished. What's going on here? I'm in a little scuffle. What happened? What's she saying? He's like, leave me alone, guys. I want to be alone. I'm so frustrated. These were meant to be done 3 weeks ago, and now 3 days before the shoot, the packaging's come, and it's completely horrendous. And the labels aren't right. There's no nutritional information on the bars. I had to cancel the shoot because I'm not happy with how the packaging is, and I'm not giving that to people. And I'm not taking photos of that and putting it on the website. Do new labels now. And it's just so frustrating because I can't post anything on socials, can't advertise it because I have no packaging, I have no product. All the samples are made. I literally spent all day today making samples for this weekend's event. Oh my god, will you stop licking the bin, you weirdo? Morning. Today was the day we were meant to have the packaging done, meant to be finishing off samples for the thing on Sunday. That's all been scratched because yesterday the packaging came and as you saw, it was not how I wanted it to be at all. It was so bad. I was so upset. This guy that we're working with, weeks and weeks and weeks, is taking him to get something that's so simple, and you know, I'm not even gonna talk about it because it'll only get me frustrated. I don't want to get any more frustrated. So now I'm going to do a massive, you can't even see, massive brownie cake sort of thing. We want shaped in an 18, obviously for it's an 18th birthday. And then topped with loads of Kinder, so. It is so big. Look how big it is. That's all brownie. Obviously I'm gonna have some left over, so I don't want to do with that. I'll have to just give it to you, Rosie. I just love my doggy so much. Oh my god, will you stop licking the bin, you weirdo? I have no idea what I'm gonna do about this packaging. I'm texting him and he's not answering. Wish he would so that I could get it sorted, because once he sends me the document I'm literally just gonna rip it apart and do it all myself, and Rosie is eating a ball. He does have toys. It's so big. There's my hand in comparison. Wash my hands, get my gloves on and cut it into an 18, so I will need my phone. We'll see what it looks like shortly after. So this is what it looks like now. It's a bit messy around the sides, but I need to put on the chocolate first before I can clean up around the sides. Otherwise, when I add the chocolate, it might crisp and then I'll just have to do it again. So it's just easier to do it this way. Look a bit weird, but they won't look like this when I'm done.
One size or else another size.
So it might have been... This is the brownie. Might add some glitter to it and then I'm going to wrap it in a bit of cling film because it keeps the brownie nice and fresh. Oh my god, my head is absolutely melted. I'm trying to sort packaging out. It is so difficult because... You right, Rosie? They're custom sizes and no one can... It's an absolute head melt. We're deciding between two companies and what to go with. Rosie, watch out. Watch yours. Move yours. Move your bum. And then whenever the packaging did come, it didn't have the nutritional labels on it. Oh my god, it was such a golly good mess. I just wish it would get sorted. I can't find any... Rosie, just want to take a shot with you. So it's been 2 days since the packaging fiasco. The labels still haven't come. So I've had my little... I walled in it for about like half an hour. And then I was like, okay, no. Even if we did launch it, like who would buy it? And then I was like, I feel like I've realised how much I need to put into now, like advertising it and building up a portfolio and a community of people who want to buy the product, because there's no point in getting everything done so quickly, because it has been done really quickly, and then just putting it out there because no one's gonna buy it. Do you know what I mean? Because no one knows about it. So it's thinking about how to do that and how to build that up through my socials. I finished all the barcodes and all the packaging. Oh my god, I'm so happy with all these. These are great. Yes. Oh, I need to add another flavour. Lol, I didn't film any of that. Whoops. I made these. Some angel cakes that I made the other day. Mine for Mother's Day. I've just finished doing cupcakes. I just did Mother's Day stuff today, so I'm just wrapping them now. Gotta get these bad boys. Look at them. Obviously just really busy with the other business I'm doing at the minute, just trying to get packaging sorted. People are really doing my head in, but that's business, you know. You come across people that really head melt you. Just being slow. They're just so slow. Like, I feel like I don't know if it's just me. Like, does this only happen to me? Because it's like, it's fucking ridiculous. Like, 2 weeks to get a quote. And I'm like, come on lads, just give me the quote. Like, it's just money. You do this every day as a job. You should know how much whatever is. As well as that, it takes like 3 to 4 weeks for the things to even come. This is the packaging. So it's gonna be like April before the packaging's there, and then I have to get photos. So we're not gonna be able to launch until like late April. And that's like, because I can't even do any advertising. But it's all okay, and you know, it's fine. The way it is. Business, I'm assuming, take time, but I sometimes feel like they shouldn't be taking this bloody long, if you know what I mean. I'm now just going to put images I took on my phone on my computer so I can get them onto the website, the Knees Nibbles website. The thing is, some of the photos I took are a bit shite. I need to update the website because for some reason I still think that the Valentine's collection's still on, which is my bad. That's sort of bad. We're not going to discuss that. Why does this not work? How am I going to get these onto me? Hello. I have her phone number. Love it.
Thank you for calling. For set.
I'm currently just editing my vlog. I might have to split it up into like 3 different vlogs because it's like 24 minutes left and we're only 7 minutes in. So I thought I'd give you guys an update on where we are right now with the packaging. The video didn't really explain it that well. The initial plan was to get labels and get matte white packaging from like a random packaging company and just slid the bar in, stick a label on it and heat seal it. I was always a bit to that because I was like, I sort of want to have like proper packaging that like feels great and looks great. I want to do this right, but we thought that price wise it would be cheaper just getting and doing it this way because we just started up. But then when we started getting the white packaging, the plain white, it wasn't nice. I didn't like the texture, it didn't feel great, it was all food safe, but I just didn't feel great the way I wanted it. And then as well as that, the labeling company we were working with told us the labels would be here like last week, but it's still not here and it's a week later. So it's like, where is it? And then the labels had no nutritional information on them. So we were like, why if you's not, we sent you that. And so we redesigned everything and I made like proper packaging and I'm gonna go with a printed option. So I'm gonna go with proper printing on a proper label like you'd see in any other protein bar. And I'm proud of that decision. It's a wee bit more pricey, but I do believe when you're starting a business, most of your money and investment should go into your product, especially the look of your product. It's like the first impression that people get when they pick up your product. If you feel something and you hold it and you look at it and it looks like there's been a label stuck on it, there's inconsistencies, it just doesn't make you a very reliable brand. I'm glad that we're getting printed packaging and I've contacted a company about that and it's taken them like a week and a half. Oh, it was weird. It was like I sent him the designs and then he'd be like, yeah, I'll send you a quote. That, like the price, and I was like, right, okay, where is it? He'd be like, oh, I'll get it to you by the end of the week. I'm like, that's 5 days away, mate. Why does it take you 5 days to give me a quote? So I waited and then when I got the quote, you've done it for the wrong size. I had to wait the whole weekend to get the quote. I got it on Wednesday And then I've sort of just been trying to push it. It's now Thursday, so yesterday we've got the sales invoice, then we had to e-sign it, then they had to send us the link to pay. We had to pay. It's left our bank account, but it hasn't showed up in their bank account, so they're saying they can't go forward. That could take a couple of days because of the way their accounts work. So we've had to send them a screenshot of the fact that it's left our bank account so that we can even get onto the designer, because the designs have been sent and they've received them, like their designer has received them. But she's not going to start working on them until she sees the fact that we've paid, which I get. But like, come on. Like, I need these labels. These packaging, especially because with this company, it's like 4 weeks and it's like the middle of March. And the initial plan was to have everything launched by St. Patrick's Day. And that's like 4 days away. I can't do anything about this packaging. I can't do website photos, I can't do advertising, I can't do samples, I can't do anything like that without this packaging. But once this packaging comes, oh, I mixed emotions about it. I hope it's perfect, I hope it's fine, because oh my god, see if I have to push this to May. And we've actually spent so much money on it. It has to be perfect. Just in case you didn't get that. This video, that's what's happening.